So it's loaded with options for South Florida, including an upgraded AC system, upgraded stabilizer gyro, an electric bimini on the flybridge, as well as these beautiful opening side terraces. If you're not familiar with the Endurance line by Pardo, this is for long range comfort. So this 60 feels much larger. Just take a look at this aft cockpit area, the interior salon, the bow sunbed space, the flybridge, or the 3 cabins, including a full beam owner's cabin and a crew cabin for 2 with its own head.